Hey guys and girls, I'm Julia with the YouTube channel Wig Review Central. Pinkee Promise Wigs and I welcome you to this quick review of the new Henry Margu Secret Topper. What I love most about this topper is that it's affordable. The Secret Topper is a top piece for hair loss only at the very top of your head around the part, or you could use it for added volume. It has a small base. Let's take a look. The Secret Topper base measures 5 inches from front to back and 2.75 inches side to side. The perimeter is finished with polyurethane, so if you have little to no hair at the top of your head, you could certainly use tape or adhesive. These wig clips are removable, and as you can see, there are 5 to secure it. In the center, you have a single layer of 100% hand-tied monofilament. This allows you to have a part with this hairpiece. The base size of the Secret Topper is nearly identical to the John Renault Easy Part HD 12-inch and Raquel Welch's Chameleon Topper. The polyurethane rim can be used with tape or adhesive along your hairline, or, as I have done, you can allow your own hairline to show. So there is no lace front to this topper. The monofilament top gives you a parting space. Now, if you're wanting a wider parting space, you could carefully pluck the fibers along the part. However, be very careful because you don't want to lose any of the volume or coverage of this topper. The monofilament base offers you a natural appearance of growth from the scalp. Obviously, you would choose a color that matches your hair color. I did not because I wanted to show you the coverage of this particular topper. I'm wearing the Secret Topper in the color 8H, which is of course much darker than my strawberry blonde color, but you'll be able to see how this topper covers. Well, let's talk about this beautiful brunette color, 8H. This is a medium brown with golden brown highlights throughout. A very rich, warm color. Let's take a look at this color outside in natural light. I really like this top piece. It's perfect if you have low to moderate hair loss at the top of your head, or if you want to just add some volume to your hair, but you also would like the monofilament to have parting space. Now, if you're interested in purchasing this topper, I highly recommend the website pinkeepromise.com. You know, I've used Pinkee Promise for a couple of years now. I'm very happy with the customer service. If you have questions about a color or the style, you simply email support@pinkeepromise.com and you get help. It's easy to order and they have free shipping. Now when you get to the website on the home page, scroll down to the bottom and sign up for the mailing list. You'll immediately receive a 30% off discount code good on your first purchase. Plus, you'll receive email alerts about fantastic sales and wig brand new releases. Well, if you have questions about the style or the color, I'm more than happy to answer. Please leave those in the comment section below. Now, if you wear Secret Topper, we would love to hear your experience with this hairpiece. Well, thank you so much for watching my Topper review. Take care. Bye-bye.